How to automatically save Snapchat photos to your gallery. So in order to do that, let's head over right here to our inbox option and let's click on a conversation with someone. Let's click on their name right here, and then once we have done that, scroll down until you can see the save in chat option. So first things first, you can save some pictures onto your chat. However, if you really want to save pictures automatically, you can head over right here to your profile icon. Click right here onto your gear icon. Then after that, scroll down until you can see the option for downloads or manage or saved option. So here it is right here. You can just scroll down and click on this data saver. Make sure that this data saver is not turned on. That way it will automatically download pictures to your Snapchat. Then once you have done that, make sure to also save your login info and everything right here on your Snapchat. So that's how you automatically save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Hope we helped.